Hop out at 1 in the morning. You really wanna know this kind of life, never boring. She bought Dior with a man from the store, but she bring it to my table when the drinks start pouring. She asking to come with the crew, and the accent it come with a view. She dancing, unruly, reaction, I love it.
Why you waiting in the line by the door? You with your best friend, shit moves slow. Baby girl, thought I told you before. Anywhere that we be, you can go. So bring your friends to the front, and when you hear, let me know. I'm a nice guy, for sure. No, for real, let me show you. You wanna move through the crowd now? You looking good, turn around now.